period. I mean, this thing is about this thing. Why?
24, 34, 46, good and thick, and what you give, she'll work with. Pretty face and some cute lips, earring and a tongue, and she know what to do.
Yeah! Really? All day, every day. Welcome to this channel, baby. Welcome to this channel. Houston, Texas, born and raised. All day, every day. Hey.
Texas tatted on my arm. Got used to know.
What's up, YouTube? What it do? It's your boy Juicer, and I'm coming at you with another video. Welcome back, baby. Today I want to be a little bit of, I want to be just a little serious today. I mean, I got a question that I don't know who to ask. So I'm asking you guys, man, my subscribers, baby. So the reason why I want to ask you this question, first off, let me say, I've been riding for about maybe a little bit less than 2.5 years, maybe like 2 years and 3 months. You know what I'm saying? And I've noticed a few things. I noticed that when I speed on a motorcycle, I tend to have more close calls. I tend to have way more close calls. I've had more accidents that way, not counting the wheelies and shit like that, but I've had way more close calls. I've seen so many people die this last year, and speed was always involved. I haven't seen nobody die from a wheelie. Somebody say wheelie? Oh yeah, you know they do. But check this out, guys. Why do you think a lot of guys die on motorcycles? Do you think it's the other drivers on the road? Could it be that? Could it be us? Are we the problem? Are we completely reckless? Is it the age groups that get motorcycles for the first time? Or is it the people that don't go to the motorcycle classes? Is it peer pressure or not riding at your own pace? What is it? Because this Sunday, I want to say there was like 3 motorcycle accidents, which were 3 confirmed deaths in my city. Yo, guys, what the fuck is it, man? Because like, I didn't go out at all yesterday. I had that little gut feeling where it's like, something ain't right. I'm not gonna be pushing it today. And so I did it, and it like come to find out that it's like everybody was getting in wrecks. I'm trying to figure out what it is. Is it traffic? Is it Jesus Christ? Is it like other riders and stuff? Let me know in the comments below what you think it is, because I am a loss for words, man. Because a lot of these guys, they got families, they got kids. I know them. I don't want to see nobody die on the motorcycle. I want to see you loop your motorcycle. I don't want to see nobody die on the motorcycle. I would love to see you loop your motorcycle in the stunt lot with your gear on. I think that would be pretty funny.
Woo, you know he did.
I wish there's a way that we can all avoid all these accidents, man, because it puts a little bit of fear in my heart when I leave the house. I mean, like, I'm still fearless than a motherfucker. That's why I said a little bit, like 0.3%. Like 0.3%. But I just wish that there's a way that we can bring some type of awareness. Like, these cars out here, they don't give a good goddamn about us unless it's another rider. And so bringing awareness to them is just it's gonna really rub them the wrong way, because they're gonna sit there and say, oh, well, you were speeding, you're doing wheelies, this and that, and you want us to watch out for you? You're a crazy motherfucker.
Dude, I did nothing to you.
Yeah, you just broke the law.
I went in between you on a road.
Yep.
And you're gonna punch me and assault me for that.
Yep.
But that's what they sound like. But yeah, guys, man, like it's been bugging me inside that a lot of us are dropping like flies, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm pretty sure it deters people from actually getting a motorcycle and riding, because like everybody thinks that you're just going to die on one. I don't want to say you're going to die on one, but there's chances are that you might get in a wreck. I mean, like, that's just how it is. And me living in Houston, Texas, oh my God, I feel like this is the worst traffic. But it's not the worst traffic. I've been in El Paso, and El Paso by far is worse than Houston. Houston is aggressive, really aggressive, all right? And so what I mean by aggressive is, if you are not riding to be offensive or take that lane, if you're just cruising like I am right now, people creep up on you, they want to look at your bike, they're not paying attention, they're on the phone, and it just slowly but surely has people almost wanting to hit you. I've been in a motor or a regular car before, right? And I've ridden next to a motorcycle, in front of it, behind it, and to be honest with you, I do sit there and feel like I'm going to hit this guy on accident. So I can only imagine how these people feel when they ride next to us and they've never ridden a motorcycle. Alright? But I try not to do a lot of stupid shit. I understand. You guys see what I do all day, every day on this motorcycle. But like, I try to minimize the risk. I try to make sure I'm completely as safe as possible. I wear as much gear as I possibly can. I'm not wearing no jacket. The reason why I'm not wearing no jacket is because I got like a short ass neck.
You know, I mean, you got people with big necks, short necks, in between necks. I don't give a fuck about that.
And so like, it kind of restricts my movement, and I feel like I'd be way safer if I wear sleeves that have padding on them that are built for like taking impacts, which is pretty much the same thing, if not better. I've been in plenty of wrecks with these sleeves, and you guys are my witnesses. Like,
I'm still gonna send it.
you see that? I came back and I was like, I was like, oh no. I get the fuck back up, except for that one time my mouse trapped the motorcycle. Go ahead and check out that video if you haven't seen it. But hey guys, I just wanted to go ahead and run that by you. I wasn't really trying to be funny today. You know what I mean? I just wanted to, I wanted to know what you think. Why are people dying? So I could probably have some insight, man. You want to keep me alive, right? Come on now, don't let me die, motherfucker. Alright, but yeah, go ahead. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel, man, what the fuck are you doing with your life? Go ahead. If you want the unfiltered, no bullshit motorcycle advice, let me know what you want me to talk about, and I will fucking say something in a video about it, or make a complete video about it. So guys, go ahead and like and subscribe to this channel. And hold on, I had to pass by that motherfucker. Let me say it again. Alright guys, go ahead and like and subscribe. Don't be a fucking dick. This is Juice, signing out, baby.
Yeah! Really, all day, every day. Welcome to this channel, baby. Welcome to this channel. Houston, Texas, born and raised. All day, every day. Get paid.
Texas tatted on